Jerry, we're going to go see the reservoir. So this is Prospect Reservoir. It's the catchment area for Sydney's water supply. Prospect Reservoir. Jerry, you can't get in, it's all fenced off. Yes, I know it's hot. Open the windows. This is what fed Sydney all its water. Well, I think it still does. That's like the original pump. Looks like this is it. It's all fenced off. I mean, what's the point if it's all fenced off? This is bullshit, man. Looks like I have to take photos from here. Jerry, look at this shot. There's some nice palm trees here in the middle of nowhere. Keep out. I guess I could take a shot still here. Sometimes a good shot is a shot with your camera, because that's the camera that's on you. So here's one of a few ducks that just happened to be swimming by. This one here, I've seen a few photos, but I'm going to try and use my ND filters. There's a bit of a breeze, so it might be able to glass the water. I don't think these ND filters are strong enough, but I've got also my Polarizer filter. This time I remembered to bring my step-up rings. So I've got my 17mm lens, and I'm going to try some long exposures, some normal exposures. I mean, I could probably fit my lens through here. This is a historic engineering marker. This is the catchment area for Australia, for Sydney's water supply. I think it comes from Warragamba Dam, and as you can see, I've scoured the perimeter. You cannot get into it, it's all fenced off. Probably because of terrorists or whatever, you know, people that don't want people swimming in there, who knows. But there's signs also everywhere that say under surveillance, but I guess it's 4-hour water, so it's for the best. I want to do a long exposure on the tripod, but this bloody fence and the tripod's not big enough, so I'm going to try put my lens through this little gap here. Put on my polarizer, took a few shots. Now I'm putting on my ND filter, neutral density, and this one's a circular one. I think it goes to 8 stops. So let's see if I can try and get a slow shutter speed, see what it can do to the water there. I mean, I don't know if it's going to work, but the last time I did it didn't work. So underneath that pier there, the tower, the water tower, it's like 100 meters or so underneath. It's like, so that's like the iceberg. There's heaps more underneath that you can't see. Jerry's We've come out and it's pretty hot, and Jerry's very, very thirsty. You thirsty, Jerry? You already had a drink. You're just hot, Jerry. That's all. Yes, I know you're hot, Jerry. We'll go home and we'll have a nice iced tea. Yeah. So this tree looks nice with the water. They're filming some new Marvel movie. That's like a massive green screen. Shanghai, I think I looked it up. The only person I know is that real hard-ass captain from Discovery, the Star Trek. But yeah, they're filming it here. I think Corona, they put it off for a year. That's what I read. Oh wow, hang on, look at this. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a shot waiting. Hey Jerry. Hey Jerry. Yes, it's hot, Jerry. Okay, so I've got to go because the stupid park closes at 6:30. I wanted to do the sunset over the water there because that's facing the west. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the photos now. I'll put them up whether they're good or bad. It's just me learning. So there's that one shot that I was trying to concentrate on, the tower there, the water tower. And I used the Polarizer and I used the ND filter. I had my zoom lens. I should have used that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.